My name's Stefan. Sorry. So we're a 4-day course, Samuel Leeds, BIR intensive course down in Heathrow. Yeah, it's a great facilities, lovely facilities, and yeah. Oh, there's a lot of information to take on. Um, Again, the legal side of BRRs, the costing, the refurbs, yeah, just the strategies, different strategies of property within properties. Yes, it's been a lot to take on, but yeah, it's been good. Mentors have been great, very welcoming, very insightful, and very knowledgeable. A lot of information, obviously, to take on from inside. So coming out and having them there to kind of discuss stuff that's kind of gone over your head a little bit or you're unsure about is actually been very good.
Amazing. And what's it like being in the room and seeing deals happening live?
Seeing it live is actually kind of it's inspiring. It's inspiring to actually see them doing it. They make it look easy, but yeah, it just makes you want to get up and do it and get on your phones yourself.